Hi y'all, today on What's Cooking Girl, we'll be making chicken fajitas. What you will need is 1 large green bell pepper, 1 large red bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 to 2 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 cup of sherry cooking wine, 2 cups of Worcestershire sauce, 1 pack of flour tortillas, shredded cheese. I used Mexican style shredded cheese by Kraft. You will also need Pam cooking spray and 1 pack of chicken, preferably chicken thighs. You will need to remove all bones from your chicken thighs. Once you have completed this, you will need to marinate your chicken 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. Now let's begin. Okay, I'm using my favorite grilling skillet. I'm going to spray it down thoroughly with some non-stick cooking spray. Now let's start adding the chicken. You will need to grill your chicken thoroughly to make sure it's cooked throughout. Now that we're done grilling our chicken, we will begin to saute our veggies. Okay, I'm going to add in my onions and my red and green bell pepper. Isn't that pretty, y'all? It smells good too. I love veggies, y'all. Alright, I have removed the veggies and now I'm going to add the sliced chicken thighs and the sauteed bell peppers and onions back into my grilling skillet and let cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright y'all, we're just about done. What I'm going to do now is start lightly grilling my flour tortillas. This is optional. Some people just like to kind of warm them a little bit. I like the grill marks on mine. It just gives it that little crunch. So good. Alright y'all, take a look at this. Look at those grill marks. Lightly crispy like I like it. You can add a little tomato if you want, some sour cream. You can have it for lunch, dinner, whatever you prefer. You know, let me know how you guys like it. Hit that little thumbs up, share it on Facebook, even come and visit me on my blog at www.whatscookinggirl.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye now.